Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we are back to a new day and another video. So this is what the mulch looks like, y'all. I've sprayed it all over the yard. This section right here is always flooded with water when it rains. So I put the mulch all over here. And I'm about to come in and like make it look kind of decent. Right now it don't really have a shape. I'm gonna edge it up and make it go into a cute little shape. And I think I'm gonna put all of my fruit trees in this section back here. All right, let's jump into it.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know
I finally got one, y'all. I just picked it and it's a big one. I hope it's juicy. And none of the birds or bugs got to it. Finally, a strawberry. Okay, y'all, so the neighbor gonna get a board so she can fix that one right there. It's time for this fence to come down. But yeah, that's gonna have to wait till I get my coins in order. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to finish cleaning up the yard. I'm over here pulling up the old kale, and my garlic did not do well this year. So I pulled some up that was in this area right here, and then I still have some growing, as you guys can see. I'm gonna leave them in there a little bit longer. So I'm gonna finish cleaning all this up, move these trees over here to that area, and then I'll talk to y'all soon.
used to be optimistic. These days I just don't know. Picket fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. My emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
All right, y'all, so this is what this part is looking like as for now. I have all the trees in place. From here that way, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna leave that table there with those plants, but for right now I just want all the trees in this area. I went in and cut most of the trees that I could reach. That machine is heavy, so, and your girl is tired. I've been out here all morning. That's the results of the trees that I cut down. And yeah, y'all, I'm liking the way this area looks. I know where all my trees is at. Karina, the mayhaw tree. I didn't give the mayhaw tree a name, did I? My crepe myrtle, the blueberry, the other cherry tree, the other lemon tree, that's Figonia, Angelica. So yeah, cherry right there in the back. So that is that side of the garden. Trying to think of a name. So y'all, the girl is tired. I barely can talk. I barely can stand up right about now. Please thumbs up this video. Please thumbs up this video. Your girl is sweating for this work. Share me with your family and your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. And until I see you in the next video, Peace. Dirty hands and all.